with a tiny piece of wood. Most were bad, but some were good, and I never understood. Should've tried harder. I could never write a song to foretell where I belong. Those feelings were so strong. When you look into my eyes, who do you see? Who do you see when you look at me? A master with a pen, lyrics flow just like the wind. Or do you see a failure when you look at me? I was a rebel, running wild and running free. All I thought about was me. I forgot my family. I was ignorant, but I thought the world was mine. Now the scars of those decisions are the structure of my mind. When you look into my eyes, who do you see? Do you see what you wish I would be? Do you see a convict, a deeply troubled teen? Do you see a failure when you look at me? That's where I met my wife. She was falling hard, I caught her. Now she carries me through life. I can't live without her. My body's tired and weak, all the years and bad decisions. I was strong, but now I'm meek. When you look into my eyes, can you see me? Do you see what you wish I would be? Do you see a friend you can count on to the end? Or do you see an old man? Tell me what you see. When you look into my eyes, what do you see? Do you see what you wish you could be? Do you see a father, a teacher, or a wise old man? Do you see a mentor when you look at me? When you look at me, what do you see? Who do you see when you look at me? Do you see yourself? Yeah, could it be that you see a mirror when you look at me?